Yo, Loom is a tool that I suggest you do not live without. You use this. This has saved me literally thousands of hours. What this is a free cloud-based video recording tool. You can download it on your computer. It's free and it's amazing. You can log in with Google or Slack. Ways to use Loom to give you some ideas for customer success. You just want to record your screen or record a video and not have it take up space on your hard drive. Like I'm recording this video to show you how Loom works right now in a tool called ScreenFlow. I just made a little sample right before this. But the problem with this is I got to download it to the video to my hard drive and then upload it to like YouTube or something. Whereas Loom, it's all cloud-based, so it's really handy, and it will calculate and show you how many hours people have watched of your videos, and it's very simple to use. Let me show you how it works. So I'm logged into Loom. I've got 363 of 445 videos that are free. I don't pay for this account. There is an upgrade beyond that, and a lot of these I just want to delete because I don't even need them. But I can create folders, how to use Loom. They've already got video trainings in here to teach you how you can use Loom for yourself. So they got this dialed, all right? But I use this to talk with teams and clients about specific things, and it doesn't take room up on my hard drive. I don't have to have really quality internet to upload these videos to YouTube because it's already in the cloud. So what I do is I go to Loom application that I've downloaded on my computer. As you can see, Loom shows up here. Built-in microphone, HD camera. You can choose the quality of the recording that you want. Do screen and cam, so this shows up down here. You can enlarge it, or you can do full screen if you wanted. You can move this around. It's really handy. Or you can just do screen only or cam only and record as you wish. Then all you got to do is start recording, and it'll start recording. Let's see if we can record on ScreenFlow and Loom at the same time with the same camera, same audio. Cool. So now this Loom is recording. I've also got Loom up here in my Chrome browser. There's a little button up here. I can click on it and log into Loom. And it looks like this in my Chrome browser. But I started this video. Whoa, I got the Chrome one and the desktop app one on right now. So I'm going to click off of that. And then this is Loom over here. So when I downloaded the version on my Mac, I just click this button to stop the recording. And it automatically will copy the link to my, there's the link, to my clipboard as soon as I click stop. And I can click here to rename it, how to use Loom #1, whatever you want to name it. You can put comments down here. You can add a password, do public or whatever link sharing. You can copy the link right there. You can send it over to Slack if you use that. You can download the video here. You can share it wherever you want. You can embed it. It gives you embed code, like the code is already copied, or you can preview the code. So you can pop that in HTML on any website. Super powerful tool, and again, it didn't save this to my hard drive. It's immediately just
So now this Loom
in the cloud. People can react at different timestamps. Bam, and then you can just get a Loom video filled up with a lot of love. There you go. And you can see who's commented on it. You can put in your own links, whatever you need to do, and they're timestamped. So yes, post. That's at 10-second mark. You can click here, and
it looks like this in my Chrome
takes you straight over there to that 10-second mark when you click on the timestamp. So super powerful tool. I hope that you use it. It's literally saved me thousands of hours because you can get notifications and see who commented on what and like how many people viewed how many hours, and it's pretty super cool. So use Loom, loom.com, and delegate to teams, delegate to clients, look in the folder of how to use Loom to see all their videos that they've created for you. And since I don't need this video that I've just created, I'm going to let's archive it. sweet. And then you can go and see your archive videos. So if you want to delete any of those or restore them, I can just straight delete it if I wanted to. Bam, there it goes. So that's how to use Loom. Enjoy.